A potential breakthrough emerged as Israel and Hamas neared a deal to temporarily halt their 6-week war. The agreement hinges on the release of dozens of hostages held in the Gaza Strip in exchange for Palestinians currently in Israeli prisons. But as Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu convened his cabinet for a vote, he vowed to resume the Israeli offensive against Hamas as soon as the truce ends. We are at war, and we will continue the war. We will continue until we achieve all our goals, he said. The Israeli cabinet was anticipated to vote on a proposal to temporarily halt the offensive in Gaza, seeking the release of approximately 50 of the 240 hostages held by Hamas. Israel remains steadfast in its commitment to continuing the war until Hamas's military capabilities are eradicated and all hostages are returned. Prime Minister Netanyahu acknowledged the cabinet's challenging decision but stressed the importance of supporting the ceasefire. Despite opposition from some hardline ministers, there appears to be enough support to pass the measure. Netanyahu outlined that intelligence efforts would be maintained during the lull, allowing the army to prepare for the next stage of battle, emphasizing that the battle will persist until Gaza no longer poses a threat to Israel. Specific details of the expected ceasefire deal were not disclosed, but Israeli media reports suggest a 5-day halt in Israel's offensive in Gaza, coupled with the release of 50 hostages held by Hamas in exchange for around 150 Palestinian prisoners held by Israel, will be done.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.